welcome back unicorns to another video. And today's video is another Makeup Monday video, so if you want to see me create this look and hear the theme, stay tuned. So today's video is for hashtag Makeup Monday, and we do it over there on Instagram, but I do a video here to let you know how I created it. I will link the ladies that's in this collab down below, their Instagram link, so you can go check them out and show them some love. This week's theme was creative or creation. We could do any creative look, so I decided to create this like alien space inspired liner look. I'll be using some of my PR goodies that I got in the mail in the next clip, so please stay tuned for that and I'll talk about it. So continue watching to see me create this look. So the first products I'll be using is this Maria, I don't know if I'm saying that right. They're Supernova Gel Multichrome eyeliners. I used these three to create the liner look, and I'm doing swatches to show you. Now, when I did create the eyeliner tutorial part of the eyeliner look, you cannot really see this shade right here I'm showing. It's in the inner corner. You can only see it in certain lightings. It's like a pink to orange. So I'm definitely going to place that one in another spot when I do use these again, because how light it is. I just thought the lighter shade would look good in the inner corner, but it really didn't show up that good in the inner corner, only in certain lightings. So I hope you do enjoy seeing the swatches of these eyeliners and seeing how they look. The shifts of these are so beautiful, and I did do at the end of the video showing the makeup look in 3 different lightings: the natural lighting, the ring light, and the flash of the camera. And I also did one in darker lighting, so you can see this shift of some of the liners that don't really show up very well. So continue watching, me showing you how I created that eye look. I did like a little round graphic liner because I saw another lady do it and I thought it was really cool looking. I don't know her name. I think I saw it on Pinterest, so I didn't really get to do that, but hopefully you still enjoy it, and I'll be back when I do the other PR. I forgot to mention about these liners. They are 24-hour wear. They're waterproof and smudge proof, and I did do like swatching of all 3 and showing you in the video. I really like these about these, how they stay put, so they're really good if you have like hooded eyes and stuff like that, or if you have an event where you need to wear it all day. I feel like these are really good, so I just wanted to give that thought here because I forgot to mention it. So the last PR item I'm going to be using in this video is the epielle slash Herge. I don't know if I'm saying that right. It's the lip duo. It's the lip liner and the lip gloss or lip glaze. I really love this shade, so I decided to use it for this look. I have another one I need to use up soon, but I did do swatches of them, and I did use it on my lips. Now I used the liner as like a full colored all over my lips, and then I did the gloss over top of it, and I think it turned out really pretty. So hope y'all do enjoy it. I really like this brand. They have really good products, and I will link it down below, and I want to thank them for sending my way. I really do appreciate it, and I'm so excited to use the other shade next time when I do my makeup. And I just thought it was really pretty and buildable and really shiny on the lips, so I really do enjoy them. So that is my thoughts on this, and that'll be it, and I'll be back at the end of the video. So if you got this far in the video and you're enjoying it so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It does help out a lot. And comment down below if you love K-Beauty as much as I do. This is a K-Beauty brand I'm using right here. But let me know your thoughts and you'll be shouting the next video up on my channel. If you want to see me shout in the previous video up on my channel, check out the channel's checkout section. Show them some love. They'll be YouTubers as well as subscribers. So again, unicorns, if you do want to be shouted out, please answer that question. If not, just say you watched before and you'll also be shouted in the next video also upload on my channel. So here is the final look. Let me know what you think down below. I think this turned out really cool looking. I love seeing it in different lightings. And I now know that these liners are really good. So I can't wait to use them in another look. Now I like the soft effect of these liners. You can build it up, but I just like the soft because it's so me. But let me know what you think of this liner look and what you think about me trying some new goodies. And that'll be it for today. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you enjoy seeing Makeup Monday content or any other makeup content on my channel. Let me know down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, join Unicorn family, hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload, and unicorns, always be yourself. Bye.